Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am so glad you guys are here today. Today I will be telling you about this wig. It's called Jojo by Outre, and this is part of their Quickweave selection. So I got her in the color DR27613. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get it tried on, and so you guys can see what it looks like. It does say that it's a high temperature resistant fiber, safe up to 400 degrees. And she does come in a lot of different colors, of course. So straight out of the bag, let's see. Uh-oh. The colors are really pretty. They have, it's like a dark root, and then it kind of like fades off to a brown color maybe, and then this pretty yellow 27. I think it's a 613 at the bottom. So yeah. And if you're wondering what I have on right now, this is a wig I ordered off of Amazon by the company AC Queens. They are a really nice company. You definitely should check them out. I will put the link of the video of this wig in the description box below in case you guys want to see how I made this wig look like this. Okay. Okay. Oh, y'all, she's pretty. So this is what the inside of the cap looks like. It has a comb. I think there's just one comb in the front. So it's just this one comb here. And then there's a comb in the back. So yeah. I'm going to go ahead and try it on. I will be right back. I'm going to go ahead and put it on. Here it is. I think that's weird that it has that one comb in the front. Most wigs have two combs. Oh, wow. Oh my God. Okay, I can feel like ear tabs. That's what's making me guide it in the right direction. Okay. I'm just gonna let you guys see the part. It's a part here in the front. Oh, okay, so the good thing about it is the color is super pretty. I love this color. I don't know how they do it with synthetic hair, but it's really pretty. And I like that a lot. And of course, the dark roots are nice. I don't know if the dark root goes throughout the entire wig. I don't think so. I don't know. I don't think it goes throughout the entire wig. So I'm gonna have to play around with it because I don't like this. I don't know how I feel about that. So let me get my comb. Okay, guys, don't laugh at me, please. Don't laugh at me. I'm just gonna maybe pull it this way and see. All right. Okay. I can't see anything. Maybe if I, whoa. This is a lot of hair. Okay, this is a lot of hair, y'all. I'm like, maybe I cut some bangs. I don't know. I can't see what I'm doing. Whoa. But do y'all see how pretty this is? This is really pretty in the front. The ombre part. I don't know if I want. There. Okay, I'm just gonna section off. trying to think, because when you cut curly hair, you need to just start slow and then work your way up. You never ever want to cut a curly bang like right here, because then when you let it go, it's just gonna pop up like right there. So you always start low and then work your way up. I'm just gonna, okay guys, if this doesn't work out, you won't know about it because I won't post this video. Okay, so here I go. I'm nervous. Ooh. I probably should go like that too. Okay. Let's start, cut off a little bit more. I really can't see. Whoa. I think I'm gonna trim just a little more. I'm gonna go just a little bit more, y'all. Not too much, just a smidgen, like right here. Okay. Okay. Whoa. I might have to cut some off the side too. I've never worn this color before. I normally wear 27. I stick away. I don't know, I'm like really afraid of the color 613 for some reason. And I see so many pretty, you know, ladies on YouTube making videos, and they always like wear 613 so confidently, and I'm like, why can't I be like that? I want to be like that too. I just always felt like, I'm sorry. I always just felt like it was too light, but I don't know. What do y'all think? Oh my gosh. This is a fun wig. So I think I'm going to have a lot of fun with this one, especially once I get it to the point where it doesn't have that synthetic wig look, you know, that shiny look or whatever. I think once this wig dulls out, it's going to be really pretty. So yeah, I'm going to keep playing around with it, and I will be right back, okay? All right. I am back, and so far the only thing that I did was fluff it out some more with my comb, and I went in with my brush a little bit to kind of tease the roots, and that's it. Oh, and then I went in with my flat iron set at like 300 and I think it's set at 310 degrees. And I just kind of like pulled some of the pieces out so it wouldn't be so tight. You know, most people with curly hair do have a little bit of heat damage just, you know, when they straighten their hair. And I kind of like that look a little bit. And I think it makes it look more natural. But yeah, this is some really big hair. It kind of reminds me of the girl from Grease movie. I forgot her name. I think her name was Sandy. And yeah, it's very cute. Do I think it's everyday wig, like an everyday wig? No, I don't think this is something I would wear every day. But like maybe if it was Halloween or if I, you know, maybe had a special event to go to, which I typically don't nowadays. But yeah, I still like the color a lot. I'm just not, I don't know. I guess the volume is so big, so I don't know. I feel kind of overwhelmed. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this unit. I do want to turn around real quick. I'm 5 feet tall. Okay, so you can see the back. This is where it falls on me. All right, So what do you guys think? Are you guys gonna go ahead and try this wig out? If you are you gonna get it in the big bold blonde color like me, or are you gonna get more of a natural color? Let me know in the comments below. And if you made it this far, please don't forget to thumbs up this video, leave a comment down below, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.